tired, right? Thing didn't really turn out so good. But yeah, and it was pouring rain. Wind, it was like the rain was just going sideways, like it was like the ultimate storm. Yeah, so I'm hanging out here. I'm gonna think about, contemplate the world and whatnot until this rain stops and have deep intellectual thoughts, I guess. Or probably just listen to my iPod and like play Angry Birds. No. Yeah, actually. Yeah, so been pretty solid. I'm shaved for a while. I'm a little fuzz, you know. Kind of keeps me warm at night. And been wearing the same shirt for a while. Speaking of soup, because last night I have like this waterproof spray. I'm thinking like, hey, maybe I should like spray my shoes, you know, and like spray my bag or something just so like it doesn't, you know, get wet. I'm like, nah, like I'll do that tomorrow, you know. I should have done it last night. Procrastination. It's anything. All good. In the hood. Yeah, lovely Alabama. Should be crossing the Mississippi. Well, I was going to crossing the Mississippi there. My watch says it's 5:31 p.m., but I know for a fact it is